only the hardiest creatures on the planet are made to endure the ruthless Arctic winter. You know who isn't? Me, with a camera.
Somewhere out here is a big polar bear.
Oh, look at that.
We want to capture them in these epic conditions. But how do we film wildlife in such a merciless blizzard? The Arctic can sustain winds of over 100 miles per hour. And today, the temperature is nosediving to minus 30 degrees.
So just walking through this whiteout, getting hammered by the snow, and we spotted this bear up ahead. But yeah, it's quite hard to keep track of it. He can't see.
While our cameras work really well in low temperatures, the same can't be said for my fingers. Blizzards look best when you're filming straight into them or at a 45-degree angle. The challenge is then keeping the lens clean and making sure a bear doesn't creep up from behind.
I mean, it just looks epic, but it also symbolises what they have to go through, you know, spending the whole winter out on the ice, just getting hammered by brutal weather.